Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. After so long time, I came a new place to make a video. Like today, I feel very bored and I feel very lonely. I don't know what's the reason behind that. Like I didn't find anyone to spend some time with myself, and like I got my friend whose name is Naim, and he is free right now, and we I came here to make a video. Like make some gossiping and make some new memories between us. So
And really, guys, both are feeling like very bored in nowadays, and we are like don't know what's going on in our life, and we are in depression actually. So we have come here to make some quality time to spend in there, and their stadium. We are just ending a game. I don't
yeah,
know.
in here is a stadium. We are just finished a game,
Yeah.
which is was a football match maybe, and yeah, that's it. And it's long quiet. Like I don't upload any videos in my YouTube, in my TikTok, in my Facebook. So
But guys, we are planning like we will back in our channel or page regular, inshallah, as soon as possible. And so please support us and please pray for us.
yeah, that's it. Like you should pray for us to make some videos which will be very qualityful content and which will help you some more. Like in by watching our videos you can speak in English, you can learn how to speak in English, and you can learn like how to be a confidential person, how to be confident in front of others, like that. So if you wanna get that type of video, then you guys can follow us, you guys can support us.
And if you are not sure to how to learn English speaking from any videos, then you can see me like when I was in class 9 or 10. That time I always use mobile phone for watching videos in Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok as well. So from here I just learned my skill from about English speaking, listening, or writing as well. And so you can use this one, and you can see us like whenever we will upload a video, you can share it to your friends for helping there, so you can improve your English skills. Hope
yeah,
so.
yeah, that's it. Like at the end of the day, we try to do something better day by day. Like yesterday, what I did, and today I have to do better than yesterday. So all of we have to keep that in our mind. Like every day we have to try something better. We have
And
to
you should motivate
yeah,
yourself
and
actually
and in the yard, like there is nobody to push you. Like
yeah,
you have to push yourself,
to do something
yeah, to
unique.
do something unique, to do something qualityful, to do something better than others. Like there is
Whenever you will get success, that time everyone will come to know how you did it. But before that, no one like support you. Everyone like say that you can do this, you can do this, it's not possible to you, and so on. Like I saw it, and I feel it now. So you should motivate yourself.
yeah, and that's it. Like there is a picture which I showed in Facebook. Like there was a person in a stadium. Like before become successful, he was so lonely and alone in a stadium. And after become successful, everyone was in stadium with himself to give him congratulations. But at the end of the day, we have to understand that like there is no one to push you, to believe
Grow up.
you, to give you some qualityful time, to give you some uh, like how should I say, I can't explain. Like there is no one to push you, there is no one with you. You have to do everything with yourself, by yourself, and that's it. And nowadays everyone say to you like that, you are my everything, and without you I can't live, without you I can't do it. That is
But there is
that is not like a true. That is a line ever I have seen. Like
well, but there
every
is
people-
someone. If
yeah.
you have that like a best friend like him, like when you need some quality time, then you can spend it with your best friend, but not with your GFBF. Like they will say, I can live without you. I will not give you any type of yeah, something I don't know what
any,
they
any
say.
kind of cheat or
Yeah,
like that.
but
But at
End of the day-
at the end of the day,
They are- they did it.
they become like
Liar, they cheater.
They cheat with everyone, and they obviously they will cheat with you. And I don't, we don't talk about like every people or
Yeah,
every
yeah.
girl or every boys. Like there is so one and me so as
The
well.
major-
Like
major percent.
Yeah, the majority of the people are become cheater or become liar. So that's it. At the end of the day, you have to do something to live you better in your future, and that's it. And that's it. That's it. That's it. So you have to pray for us. Like after making this video, after ending this video, like we will gossiping so time in here, and
Please
that's it.
pray for us to recover from there, like where we are right now.
And we have to recover ourselves like nowadays. And after we become viral, we got another chance, but we didn't make it successfully.
We're just so if you
And-
support us, then we
Yeah.
can success in our life to be early.
Yeah, and every single time I believe that like if we work hard, if we do something by our full passion, then we obviously we can do this easily. But
Yeah.
that's the main reason we can't focus in a place, we can't focus in a target. Like we are become distract from everything, we become obsessed, we become what should I say, we become like depressed from everything.
And if you see this video,
Yeah.
I tell you, with the passage of time, you can see the result. Whatever we are said you to do, so you can be benefited from it.
Yeah, and that's it. Like I will end this video. Like you have to push yourself, you have to push yourself, you have to push yourself, and that's it. Bye for now. Allah Hafiz.
Tata.